Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video we are going to see how we can see our internet traffic on our Windows 11 taskbar by the very simple way. First of all, just go to the start and type Microsoft Store and click on the Microsoft Store. Here you find search option, click on that and just type net speed meter. Search at here. First option is net speed meter, it is free, just click on that. Here we just find option get, click on that get. Then we find next option is install, click on that install. It's asked for a sign in and we don't need to sign in, so just close this and it is automatically download and install the software on your Windows 11 operating system. Okay, now just launch it. It's asked net speed meter keep on your taskbar. I want no. Okay, now our net meter is at the top. Okay, now we just go to the show hidden icons, right click on it and just click on the settings. Here we find unit speed, themes and fonts. Here from you can change your fonts size, plus and bold if you want to bold. Okay, apply it. Okay, now just go to the show hidden icons again, right click on green icon and just go to the keep in taskbar. Okay, now just click on the white at here and it's become a visible. Okay, now just right click it and just go to the speed refresh time. I will give the speed refresh time 50 milliseconds, so it is very fast. If you want to 1 second, 1 second, 2 second. Okay, I will go to the 50 millisecond and I will go to the bytes. Okay, now it is in byte per seconds. Okay, and just minimize it and I just go to the any website and just go to the speed test. It is in mbps and it is in kbps, so don't worry about our speed, it is different. Okay, so here we see our speed and here is the our speed test. So guys, this is the simplest way to find your internet traffic on your taskbar by the very simple way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.